Hey guys, winter has begun here in Canada, and that's why it's important to safeguard our home and other things from this intense winter. Now, in many houses, there's always a concern of cooling rooms, especially near the window area. So that's why, like, although there are methods like you can install sheets, as you can see here that I have installed sheets, but some family members don't like these and they just take it off. There are other very small thing that you can do that will really help. Now if cold is coming, or if cool air is coming, that's through these edges. Okay, now what if you apply tape, packaging tape on it? Okay, simply like this does help. Okay, so if you seal it with that, like, it will reduce up to certain extent for sure. So here you see I have attached here, same thing I'm gonna do here, and I'm gonna go all the way top and also at these corners too. This is definitely not a permanent solution and just like temporary relief, but yes, during the winter there's no chance for most of us that we open our windows. So with just simple tricks like this, if we can reduce the cold, and that also gonna increase our home energy utilization efficiency. So let me know what you feel about it, this method. I'm gonna cover all, but I don't want to hold you till that. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.